ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 G835LX review, RTX 5090 performance tested, and comparisons. So first, let's talk about what this laptop is. It is a powerful flagship gaming workstation laptop from our ASUS ROG line model G835LX, combining a high-end CPU which is the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX with a powerful mobile GPU which is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers a strong real-world performance in benchmarks and gaming testing. The SCAR 18 G835LX hits the highest FPS even with damaging and demanding settings. It also offers an excellent CPU plus GPU synergy, which means it is strong and great for both gaming and heavy workflows like editing and 3D rendering. It also offers versatile gaming creative work, and it even has a high-end display and build quality, and offers compute power for modern games. Now for the cons though, it has diminishing returns against the RTX 5080 variant. There are also some power, thermal, and noise trade-offs. So under heavy load, the system can run hairy and very hot and generate fan noise. And then they also have a large and heavy design, which is not very portable. And there are some cost to performance ratio, which is questionable for casual users. So overall, this laptop is one of the most powerful laptops you can buy in 2025, and it is an excellent choice if you want gaming and creative work performance close to a desktop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications